Hi all, I welcome all of you who are watching this video. My name is Nikhil from PRATHAM Test Prep. This particular video we are shooting to help you in filling up the form for ISI application form 2022. This particular form was released on 1st of March 2022 and the last date to fill up the form is 31st March 2022. So approximately a month we have got to fill up that form. So those who have not filled this particular form, I would recommend you as soon as you find this video, please go ahead and fill up that form so that you do not delay this particular form. ऐसा नहीं हो कि आप बाद में जाकर आप regret करें कि आपने ये form नहीं fill किया. Okay, this particular form is for those students who wants to go for maths honors and stats honors. Okay, this ISI, the full form is Indian Statistical Institute. There are three campuses we have in India, that is in Bangalore, Kolkata, and Delhi. So, if you want to get into the program of maths honors or you going to go for stats honors, these options are available in Bangalore and the Kolkata campus. These Delhi campus doesn't offer the undergraduate program, so that is for post graduation. So, what we're gonna do, we'll talk about the process of filling up the forms. We'll show you the eligibility criteria. We'll show you how to fill up that form. Little bit about the colleges and other things, and we'll take you through the process of filling up the form. All right, so let me take you through this particular page. Now we have got the courses offered. As I've already informed, we have stats honors and maths honors in ISI. If you want to go for stats honors, this particular course is offered only in Kolkata campus. Wants to do maths honors, this particular option is available only in Bangalore campus. All right, so once you make up your mind to fill up that form, please be informed that this particular options are available only in Kolkata and Bangalore campus. All right, so I'll talk about the eligibility criteria. You should have completed your 12th standard with maths and English as a compulsory subject. So if you don't have the maths and English subject as a compulsory subject, you are not eligible for applying for ISI. All right, so selection process, there will be a different selection process. Here you will be having two written tests. One, you'll have a written test 1, then you'll be having written test 2, and after that you will be having a proper interview. Finally, if you crack the interview, you will get the selection in the ISI. Okay, this is the whole process of applying for and get the selection in the ISI institute. Okay, so online application was started on 1st March 2022. Already informed you, last date to fill up the form is 31st March 2022. The exam is on 8th May 2022. So that is the exam date. We have the direct form link, which is www.isiadmission.net. Once you go to the website, type www.isiadmission.net, you will get the direct form link there. All right, talking about the application fees, the fees which we give for the application for the general male category, the fees will be 1250, which is 1250 rupees for general male category. A person who female general category, the application fees is 750 rupees. Someone from OBC, SC, ST, and PWD category, their application fees is 625 rupees. All right, so this is the application fees. Let's just go ahead and click on this particular option. Now we have got the main registration page. This particular page we have now. I will have to click on register now. Once I do that, it is a registration page. I will have to mention the name here. I will have to mention the email ID, the password, and I will have to confirm the same password on the lower side. All right, so it is very important. Few of the universities give you the password by their own. They will send you the username, password in your email ID. Here what they do, you will have to create the username password for yourself so that they don't have to send you. Okay, so password का भी एक special criteria है. Password का criteria है that should be a minimum of 8 characters. There should be one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one special character. Okay, this is commonly practiced by the universities whenever you create the password. Okay, so this is the password you will have to punch in. You will have to click on I agree to agree their terms and condition and their policies, and then you will have to click on register. Once you do that, once you click on register option, it will give you a mail on your registered email ID. You will have to click on verify email ID, this particular link. Once you click on it, then only your account will be activated. All right, once you click on that, it will give you this particular page. Now I will have to mention my mobile number, my alternate mobile number, alternate email ID, date of birth. Below that, I will have to mention the gender and the category I belong 2. So categories may they have an option for general, SC, ST, PWD. These categories are available. I will have to mention the address. After mentioning the address, I will have to mention full address, which is PIN code number, country, state, nationality. These information are required. All right. Below that, I have something called if you're a person with disabilities. If yes, please make sure that you have a certificate for it. If in case you are clicking yes on it, you will have to attach the required document along with it. All right. If there's no requirement, you can just leave it blank. Below that, you can choose your photo ID card type. So you can, the options you have, Aadhaar card, passport, driving license, these options are available. So one, I have chosen Aadhaar card, which is commonly available with everyone. I have chosen Aadhaar card, and I have mentioned the Aadhaar card number on the right hand side. All right, I will click on save personal information, and it will take me to this particular page. Okay, here I will have to choose the program and other information. Now the first option is program group. So I will have to choose whether I'm going for undergraduate program or I'm going for post graduation program. I have chosen undergraduate program because I want to go for undergraduate program. I have chosen that, and then below that you have option which is program apply for. All right, so now as I've already informed you, the two options you will be getting here, Bachelor of Stats honors and Bachelors of Mathematics honors. So whichever option you want to apply, you can click on that option and you can choose the desired program for yourself. All right. This particular part is crucial. There are three options which they're asking for the examination center where you actually want to give the entrance test. All right, now we have got three options. I will have to fill. I cannot leave any of these options blank. I will have to fill up that form, this particular part. So now supposingly I stay in Delhi, what I did, I have chosen Delhi as a first priority. I was trying to search some more options like Gurgaon, Noida, which is a part of NCR, which could be near to other place, my Delhi region, but I could not find it here. So the nearest city which I found, that is Dehradun, and the third option I found, that is Jaipur. So these were the options which I could find it in the list, and this was the nearest places to the Delhi region. So this options I have chosen for my centers. Whenever you choose your examination center, we would recommend you please choose the center which is nearby to your place, which is so that you don't face problem in going to that place and give the entrance test. Okay, so please make sure that you give your entrance test which is your nearest city. All right, so I have given these options, and then I will have to fill in these information. This is the academic information. I will have to choose the I have to punch in the information for 12th here. All right, so I have chosen the board name, that is CBSE board. I have mentioned name of the degree, that means I'm applying for the 12th standard, so I have mentioned 12th standard here. Now I will have to mention the school name. I have mentioned DPS Mathura Road, and year of passing. Year of passing is 2022. Students who are actually applying for the entrance exam, uh, they'll be completing their education in 2022. So you'll have to choose this particular option. All right, you will have to mention the major subjects you had. I have mentioned my major subjects available. I have mentioned all of them, and result status. So I have mentioned to appear in the final examination. All right. Supposingly there are few students who have already completed their graduation, there they will have to mention that completed, they have to mention the completed there, and then they will have to punch in their marks also. Since I have not mentioned that, I have mentioned to appear for the final examination, it won't ask me further for the results and those stuffs. All right, so expected date of completion of examination, I have chosen 20 date of completion of examination is 27/5/2022. I have mentioned that. So by May 27th, it is expected that I'll be completing my 12th standard. Result is expected near to July, so I have chosen one of the date, which is 2nd July 2022. All right, you have to mention the expected date. Okay, you don't have to mention correct. Don't have to give the specific date. Just have to mention the expected date. So expected date जो भी है आप वो वाला चीज आप यहाँ पर mention कर सकते हैं. Okay. Below that you have you ever admitted in ISI as a student, yes or no? If yes, you can click on checkbox. If no, you can leave that option and you can save program applied for information. Once you click on this option, it will take you to the next page. Now I will have to attach two things. I will have to attach the passport size photograph and the signature, where I have already done. Supposingly if you are facing problem in attaching the photograph and signature, because a lot of time when you click the photograph, the size of the photograph is normally 5 MB, 3 MB, 10 MB, depending upon the resolution you have chosen while clicking the photograph. Now it is very easy to compress the photograph. When you go to Google, just type there compress image, you get a lot of software inside that. Using the softwares, just attach that photograph there, it will decrease the size of the photograph, it will compress the photograph, and you can attach that particular photograph here. Okay, if further it is required to compress it, you can recompress that photograph if in case the requirement of the photograph or signature is lesser than the option you have already got. All right, so you can reuse that options to attach the passport size photograph. So I have attached a dummy photograph and a dummy a signature here, and I will have to click on upload. On the right hand side, I will be getting upload option, and I will click on that. So I will be getting the photograph and signature view option. So view and submit option is there. I will click on that, and then it will give me this option. I will have to check each and everything, whatever information I have selected. I will check the spellings, whatever things I have punched in, because it is really very difficult for us to do the, for the university to do the alteration after you actually fill up the form and make the payment. So whenever you fill up the form, please, whenever you get to the preview page, please see everything, whatever information you have filled, your spellings, the date of examination, other important stuff which I have filled, cross check each and everything, and then submit that option. All right, so I have checked all this information. All information submitted by me is correct. I will click on this checkbox, and I will click on submit application. Once I do that, it will give me this particular page, and I will have to click on make payment on the above side. Now as I have filled the general category, male category, so the fees will be 1250. I will click on make payment, and it will give me the payment gateway where I have the order number. Debit card, credit card is the option. Internet banking, BHI, UPI option is there, and SBI branch option is also there. So there are four options how you can make the payment. You can choose your desired payment method, and you can make the payment of this particular form. So this is how we fill up the form for this particular thing. If in case you guys face any kind of problem in filling up the form, you can contact us on the mobile numbers given on the left hand side. You guys are seeing that a lot of universities has already released their application form. Those have not filled any of the form, I would recommend you to please go ahead and fill up those forms. A lot of universities have released their application form. Few of the universities will be having the entrance test before the end, before your board examination. Your boards are expected on CBSE boards are expected on 26th April 2022. Before that, Christ University is giving the first slot in the month of March. They have one more slot in April. If you talk about Narsi Munji NMIMS Mumbai, which is commonly known as NMIMS Narsi Munji, they'll be conducting the first slot in the month of April. Okay, so before the entrance test, before your board examination, there's an entrance test is already there. Those who have not joined anywhere, those who have not started their preparation, this is the high time. Along with the boards, you will also have to work on the entrance test, because they are also approaching. I know the boards are approaching, but the entrance test is also approaching. Those who wants to join Pratham Test Prep, they can contact their phone numbers given on the left hand side. We have our phone numbers. Just contact us, and we'll help you in to understand the programs we offer, and we'll do the counseling. And if in case you want, you can join us, our program, and we'll be preparing you for the entrance test. All right, so we'll be creating few more videos for the entrance test. As of now, IIM Indore is yet to release their application form. IIM Rohtak IPL program is yet to release application form. DU is yet to release application form. IP University, Jamia University, these universities are yet to release their application release their application form. So we'll be creating the videos for that too. Those who have not filled any of the form, you can go to our Pratham Test Prep portal, and inside that you have option called forms update. Choosing the forms update, you'll be able to find all the forms which we have videos we have created, the information about it. Those who are not a part of Pratham Test Prep, you can see these videos in the our YouTube channel. You can go to the channel, subscribe it, which is Pratham Test Prep. Subscribe that channel. Whatever videos we create for the form filling, you'll find it there. Along with that, we people create few more videos for vocabulary. We people have the videos for legal current affairs. We have videos for current affairs, and few more important videos which should be which should be there, which can help you in actually doing good in the entrance test. So even if you're part of some other institute, you have joined some other institutes, you can still subscribe to our channel, because the classes which we run simultaneously on the YouTube channel, that will definitely help you in attaining your goal, whatever you're targeting to. All right, so thank you. Let's catch you on the next video. Take care, work hard for your entrance test, and stay safe. Have a nice day, people.